Hey everyone, this is Varun Jeshanai and welcome back to my channel. So today, my cousin, who is your name,
Siddharth.
and me are going for a walk today morning, and we would like to show how our neighborhood is here at Calicut. So let's begin our walk. So Siddharth, I know that you're from Coimbatore. So, in your locality, are there any roads like this? Peaceful, serene, and calm?
There are no roads like this peaceful and calm.
Calm. So you find here more peaceful?
Yeah, I find here more peaceful.
Yeah. And as it's like this, we are able to walk like this, right?
Yeah.
You won't be able to walk in a busy road in Coimbatore, right?
Yeah.
Let's go. And that's my brother Vikram going right in front. He's looking for a good spot to take nice photos from a different view rather than of a normal one. You can see these photos on his Instagram page, Vikram IG. So Siddharth, do you enjoy walks like this?
Yeah, I enjoy walks like this.
But if you walk more in the sun, you might get sunstroke. So sunstroke and or dehydration. So let's walk a little mile just for staying healthy and fit.
Let's go now.
No one. So we're going through the small lanes in our neighborhood to avoid the busy traffic and irritating honking of the vehicles on the main road. The only difference Siddharth feels here is that he's sweating, right?
Yeah.
In Coimbatore, you won't sweat. Do you sweat in Coimbatore?
Yeah, I do a
Little bit, but not like here, right?
Yeah, not like this.
Because here there is a lot of humidity, moisture in the air, that's why. As there's no traffic here, we're free to walk. Yeah, right, Siddha?
Yeah.
Now we are going to enter the main road, and you can go to Mangav if we go towards right, and if we go towards left, then you will reach the Chalapuram head post office. Built by Uralungal Labour Cooperative Society. Siddharth, you like footpaths like this where no two-wheeler can be parked, right? It's really safe for pedestrians. You can see the newly built Kesari office. Siddharth, you can walk. Now we are passing through or crossing ESI dispensary and walking straight back home. Now you can see the Bomma Kolu kept in the Kesari office. Come, let's walk. You seen the Bomma Kolu kept there? Siddha? This is the Navarathri Sarvagosham. You can see all the decorations done in the Bhajana Kovil over there. Did you see, Siddharth? These are the list of programs here for Navaratri. This is the newly inaugurated Kesari building. We move towards front of it. Now we are going back home. Siddha, did you enjoy our today's short walk?
Yeah, I have enjoyed.
Come, let's walk. Some photos which I had taken during our walk.
Now, as we reach home from our short walk, it's time to end this vlog.
If you do, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment down how it was, and last but not the least, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for encouraging me on our humble YouTube journey. See you in our next video. Goodbye.